The Nissan GT-R, a name that echoes through the world of performance cars. Known as Godzilla, it's Japan's answer to the world's supercars. Today, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the 2025 Nissan GT-R one of the most thrilling machines ever built. The GT-R's design remains bold, muscular, and aggressive. Its aerodynamic body lines and sharp LED headlights give it a futuristic yet iconic look. The wide stance and carbon fiber accents scream performance from every angle. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for control and confidence. The leather seats, carbon trims, and digital display combine luxury with a racing spirit. Nissan's infotainment system now includes Apple CarPlay, telemetry data, and driver-focused settings for both comfort and sport. Powering the GT-R is a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing over 565 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 3 seconds. Every gear shift feels instant, and every acceleration pins you to the seat. It's a pure mechanical symphony that never fails to excite. The GT-R feels like a beast that listens to you. Its adaptive suspension system keeps you planted on the road, while precision steering lets you corner like a pro racer. Whether on the racetrack or the city, it feels both powerful and balanced. Starting around $115,000, the Nissan GT-R isn't cheap, but it delivers a supercar experience at a lower price point. It's a symbol of Japanese precision, emotion, and engineering brilliance. The GT-R remains a legend, a car that refuses to fade away. Thanks for watching this GT-R review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.